Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this AliAnabelle lace closure wig right here. This is what the hair looks like straight from the box. The hair comes with this cute headband, the Christmas one, Christmas card, and a wig cap and a cute pink little bag just like that where you can store your hair when you're done wearing it. So yeah, that's what the hair looks like straight from the box. Look at the waves, guys. I love the waves of the hair straight from the box. As I said earlier, the hair is actually a closure wig. It has two combs at the front and one comb at the back, and it also comes with an elastic band as well, and it comes with an elastic strap straight from the box, and the construction of the cap is glueless, so you don't have to apply any glue or gel to install this hair. You can actually install the hair with the elastic strap inside the wig cap, or you use the comb straight from the box. So yeah, I actually went for glow to be glue. I just wanted to wear the wear for a while so that I'll be able to give you guys tea about the hair while I do this voiceover. So I applied the got to be glue and spread it all over the lace and a bit of the hair as well, just to lay the hair down just a bit at the front, if that makes sense, because I'm not the type that likes baby hair, and the hair has baby hair around the perimeters of it. As you can tell, you can pat the hair anywhere you like within the 4x4 lace closure, but I decided to lay the hair down with Kerry Care wax stick, and I used the hot comb just to lay it down a bit. It's a beginner kind of installation, so you cut the lace and then bam, you're good to go. That's just me, you know cutting the lace, applying the hairband, and voila, I am good to go. That's just by cutting the lace. I love this. Very, very easy to install. Very, very easy to install, and it's beginner friendly. As you guys can tell, you don't need any concealer or any foundation on your lace wig, but I decided to opt for it because just to emphasize on the parts, I like it, so I'm used to it. So yeah, I actually did two things in this video. I did two types of coils just for you guys to be able to know that this hair really, really hold coils, and I mean hold coils really well. So that's the point of a body wave lace wig. You want your wig to be able to hold to coils for as long as your natural hair would do, which this I put to test with this hair. So I called this side, which was on the right side, with the coiler, and on the other side I used the same coiler to create a bouncy wavy look. So two different types of waves on the same hair, and I absolutely love it. The hair took to coils really, really well, and I mean, I was so in love with the outcome of the coils. It's so silky, and I loved it. The coils lasted for like 2 days, which I really enjoyed. And as I said, I love the fact that I can style the hair anyhow, just like my natural hair. As you guys can tell, the hair is really, really silky, no tangling, no shedding whatsoever throughout the styling of the hair. And I love the fact that I don't have to like do any stress or anything. From, as you guys can tell from the beginning of the video, that all I did was cut the lace and I was good to go. So if you are a beginner, please don't opt for got to be gel. Just use the elastic strap and you're good to go. If you guys don't know AliAnabelle hair, they have been in this game for a long time, and they have very good quality hair. And I love this one, to be precise. I love this. The quality of the hair is just amazing. Just amazing. So I showed you guys both curls, and you guys tell me which of the curls or which of the part that you like. Is it the wand type of curl, which I did in this side, or the bouncy wave kind of curl? But in either way, I love both curls, and I'm quite happy that the hair took to the curls really, really well. It passed the test for me. Yep. The quality is just amazing. I really love the quality of the hair. And if you're the type that like baby hair, the hair actually have baby hair around the premises of it. But I decided not to go for baby hair because I'm not just into baby hair. But yeah, if you like baby hair, feel free to style your hair with baby hair. But for me, it's no, I don't wear baby hair, and I love the hair just like that. So yeah, and voila, that's the finished look. That is what the hair looks like. Tell me which side you prefer. Do you prefer this side or do you prefer that side? Look at that. Look at that. The hair is also true to length, which is really amazing. Despite the fact that it was one curl, the hair was still far below my shoulder. So I really love that about that. So yeah, stay tuned for my review. I'll see you in my next one. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this AliAnabelle lace closure wig right here. I'm just going to quickly go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. As you guys can tell, I am loving it. The first thing I noticed straight from the box was the waves of this wig, guys. It was really bouncy and very silky, which I really like. As you guys can tell, the hair is really soft. There's been no tangling. Look at that. No tangling or shedding whatsoever throughout the styling of this hair. I really like the fact that the lace of the wig is actually really soft, which made it easier for me to install this hair. I installed the hair with the Got2b glue, but bear in mind that you don't need any glue or gel to install this hair. The cap construction is actually glueless, so you don't need any glue or gel to install it. But I just decided to go for Got2b glue because I'll be wearing the hair for a while, so that I'll be able to give you guys more tea when I do my voiceover. Another thing I like about this hair is the fact that the silkiness, guys. The hair is really silky. Really silky and very soft. Guys, I love this. Like, look at that. And I also like the fact that the hair does not shed or tangle or, you know, mat up at all. It doesn't have any nasty smell as well. I like the fact that the hair curls really well, as I showed you guys earlier, and I love how, you know, easy it is for me to install the hair. Bear in mind, if you're a beginner, you definitely love this hair because you don't have to do much at all. If you're a fan of baby hair, the hair has baby hair around the premises of it, so feel free to style your hair with baby hair. In fact, you don't actually need any concealer or foundation on your part because you can obviously pat the hair anywhere within the, you know, 4x4 closure without any foundation or powder at all or concealer. So yeah, I really like that about the lace. It's really transparent and very easy to, you know, work with. So one of those things that I really like about this hair. And guys, the quality of this hair is definitely top notch. Like, seriously, look at that. It's so silky and very, you know, full. And if you guys don't know AliAnabelle hair has actually been in this game for a very long time. They sell lace closure wig, they have lace frontal wig, they have body wave wig, they have all types of hair on their websites, and they also have, you know, curly lace wig if that's what you're looking for, and they have colored wigs as well here on their website and at affordable prices. They've been in the game for a while, so feel free to check out their website and let me know what you guys think. I also like the fact that their shipping was really quick. The hair actually took like 4 days to get to the UK, so yeah, I really like their shipping as well. So I'll definitely recommend that you guys check them out. And for the quality of this hair, I'll definitely recommend that you guys check them out. The hair is really soft, very full, and also very lightweight on my head. I also like the fact that, you know, the lace melted into my skin. A fan of good hair, you definitely like this hair. Like, seriously, I love it. Very nice, very soft and very full. So would I really recommend this hair? So far so good. I will definitely recommend this hair. In terms of the quality, when it comes to the quality of this hair, I would definitely recommend it. Like, seriously, you know, if you're in the lookout for affordable hair with amazing quality, top-notch quality, definitely recommend that you check out AliAnabelle. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.